can see the bird right here. Can you see that on camera? The bird is literally sitting right here. That's insane. Good. Good girl. No, no, no. Nyx, come. Nyx, come. I've never seen anything like that. I'm literally watching the bird sit there. I've never seen that before in my life. I hope you guys can see that. Wow. So this bird ends up flying about 200 yards, almost into those willows you see way up there, and it ends up just falling stone dead. Must have been a heart shot, and Klaus made a pretty cool retrieve on it. That one should have been dead pretty easy. God, I got on him so quick, I kind of laid off. I think if I'd have shot, I was kind of on him right away, but I think I'd have blown him up. Attaboy, Klausy. Attaboy, good dog. Good dog, buddy. Good dog, nice. Good boy. Good boy. That's a little older bird, too. That was cool. No, no, no. Nyx, come. Come. Come on. Come on, Nyx.
That was a good point.
Yep, come on. She's starting to get it. Come on. There you go, atta girl. Atta girl. Yeah, that was fun, wasn't it? Yeah, what were those? If you kind of want to stay on the outside, I'll try going in. Birds are in these willows up ahead, and we're just trying to figure a way to get the best shot at them, and the birds go up unexpectedly. Yeah. Yeah, if you can. Yeah, she won't. There you go. Atta girl. Atta girl. Here. Fetch it here. Good girl. Good girl. Nice. Good. Atta girl. Atta girl. See, you can retrieve them to me. That's a nice one.
Did you see that thing? It hopped up and he caught it when it hopped up. Atta boy.
Out. You're too fast.
I didn't kill the thing though. I don't know, did you see that? I mean, it like hopped up in the air and he caught it. I don't think I've ever seen that. It's kind of cool. Well, there we go. That made it worth it. He grabbed her by the tail.
Nice bird.
Kill this son of a bitch. Yeah, it is nice. Would have been better if it had a tail still, but there we go. Something's right there. Oh, whoop, whoop, whoop. That was tight.
That was really tight.
Good. Dog, buddy. Good. Here. Let's go. Yeah, you've kind of been so far. Let's go. Whoop, no, no. Whoop.
They're holding tight.
God, was that? I couldn't tell if that was a rooster or a hen. It looked like a hen. Whoop. Wow. That'd be somewhere right up in here. Probably, yeah. Oh, he's to the right though. Yeah, somewhere over up in here. 50 feet, so we're close. There he is, right there. Whoop, whoop, whoop. There's the one he had pointed. Whoop. Good boy. Good boy. There you go.
Thanks.
Yep.
I couldn't shoot him. I was shooting through the trees.
My shooting percentage has not been good today, but yeah, I got him on the second shot though. I've been needing that second barrel a lot. Fetch him. Didn't hit him hard. He's still kicking. Out. Boy. Atta boy.
I'll just send you out. I always get the bad angle.
Yeah.
You're getting fucked over today.
Yeah, I'm having one of those days where I'm having the heyday and
This is what,
Deal.
like 8th time out this year?
I've been out a lot.